Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am deciding that I'm going to do a hair video. You guys clicked on this video, you guys read the title. I do my own hair, I do my own highlights. I did go to hair school to just freshen up some blonde pieces here and there, and I also want to get this underneath part of my hair just to be blonder because it is this brown color, and I'm going to attempt to do it on my own. So we shall see how that goes because it's really hard to see the back of your head. So mirrors are gonna be my best friend today. Yeah, I'm just gonna put my hair up. I still want to keep my roots as is. I like it. I just like the dark root look. Let's get to it. Let's do it. Alright you guys, we're in the bathroom. Okay. Oh Dios mío. You will obviously need this, a bowl and a brush, and this to weave your highlights. This is what I'm using. Blonde Me by Schwarzkopf. So let me get the foils. BRB. Foils. Alright, let me move this because I need to see. Oh my god, where am I gonna see? Alright, so we're going to do the back part because you guys see this darkness? That's what I'm working with. So I'm gonna try to break this up as much as I can. Hopefully it turns out good. Pray to baby Jesus that it turns out good. This is not a DIY, okay? So don't do this at your own risk, okay? I'm not telling you guys to do this on your own. I feel like this is too big of a section. Yeah, that seems good. Here we go, guys. Looks like a total hot mess, but here we go. So this is how much I'm using, not a lot. I wish I had someone help me, but I don't. Okay, here we go. That was a struggle. Okay. Two foils down, and God knows how many more to go. I regret this. I don't want to do this no more. Why did I do this to myself? Okay. I'm just going to do this, repeat the steps, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, we are done. So I just finished doing my foils here. I left this part out because obviously it's like super light. So This is the hair situation. I have some foils back here. It took forever. And then here I'm just doing the money pieces just to make them nice and brighter. And I put 2 up here just to make it a little bit more brighter. I'm probably gonna wait maybe 20 more minutes, check on it, and rinse it out. I'm never doing this by myself. I'm gonna tell my mom to help me next time. Yep. I'm gonna chill, relax, and then I'll see you guys when this is all done. Hopefully it turns out good. Alright, I just rinsed my hair out. Okay. Oh, this is how it looks wet. Does it look different? Does it look different? I don't fucking know. I feel like it looks the same. So yeah, we'll see how this looks when it's dry. Yeah, I'll be right back. Finished blow drying my hair and straightening it. So this is the aftermath, the highlights. So I really think I'm going to buy a toner because I feel like it just looks a little too yellowish for my liking. Like I just want to tone it a little bit. You can tell they're a little bit too on the gold orangey side clearly because it's just bleach. There's no tone in it. So I really need to get a toner, so I'm probably just gonna get the Wella T18, but I'm not going to leave it on for a long time. I just wanna to get rid of these brassy pieces. And then this is the underneath of my hair, how it turned out. So as you can see, now it's, you know, hopefully there is some change that you guys can see from before. At least it doesn't look so dark anymore than how it was before. So yeah. Alright, so I'm putting in my extensions in. They blend a little bit better now down here. Not, I mean, I really need to do it over. I think this looks good. Does it look good? Alright you guys, so I just finished toning my hair. Here's the finished product for today at least. Still have to do some highlights still in the back because it's just a little bit still too dark for my liking. But here it is. Here's the tone that I got. I did get the Wella T18 to tone it, and I think it came out pretty good. And I legit only left it on for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, because I didn't want it to go like super white blonde and stuff, so because it won't match my extensions. So I'm not wearing any extensions obviously because I wanted to show you how it looks, as opposed to putting some extensions on and being like, well, we can't really see the finished product or whatever. So this is how it looks. This is the tone, as you guys can see. It has some dimensions, some nice highlights. It's like ashy blonde, and then here is the back so I can show you guys. So when I put my hair up, it definitely looks way more blended, like better. Like it doesn't look like it's brown, all brown underneath with no highlights. So I think it looks pretty good for doing it on my own. So yeah, so this is my little hairs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was somewhat entertaining. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.